Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Welcome back to Destiny Unveiled Daily 888. So for today's video guys, I would like to um, get your weekly financial prediction. What to expect, what to avoid, and where's the money may flow. Alright, for the week of April 20, from Monday to Sunday, to the 26th. April 20 to the 26th for my beloved Gemini. Alright? Or I need to get, so what's your current situation for my beloved Gemini? Your financial, what is your current financial energy for this week? Gemini. Universe. So you have the Wheel of Fortune. Oh, great. So great. Okay, so the next card, what's coming in? So what money, income, or opportunities are entering your life this week, Gemini? What what kind of money, income, or opportunities are entering your life this week for my beloved Gemini? So only one lang. So it's the Star. So the next card, what's going out? Your expenses. What expenses or financial outflows should you prepare for this week from beloved Gemini? Okay, so this is great now. So you have the Nine of Cups. Oh my God, you have a great week, Gemini. So let's read it later. So I'll just want to get all your cards. So the next card is your hidden factor. So what unseen influence could affect your finances this week? So it's Seven of Cups. And the fifth card is the final advice. What guides you, or what guidance should you follow to manage your money wisely? The advice. It's the Two of Cups. Oh, and the final card is the bonus card, which is the what extra message, or the bonus card that the universe wants you to know. It's the Knight of Pentacles. And the bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands. Alright. So, Knight of Wands is the bottom of the deck. So, Gemini, this is your spread. Money spread, your financial situation. So, your current situation is the Wheel of Fortune. So, magbabago na ang iyong financial situation. So, from last week maybe, last month ay mahirap sa financial mo. So, ngayon ay magkakaroon na ng shift ng financial situation mo. So, siguro, some of you, may magbabayaran ka na or may magbabayad na ng utang, bumabalik na yung mga avid customers ninyo sa mga business niyo. May, some of you also, may matatanggap na malaking pera for this week, no? So, from walang pera or gipit sa pera, makakaroon kayo ng kaginhawaan sa pera ninyo this week. And also, some of you are magkakaroon ng mga rackets, side hustles, may mga magagandang biglaang dumating na mga oportunidad, mga racket na hindi mo talaga inaasahan for this week, no? So, some of you also ay magbabago ang income situation ninyo from walang sales last week, ngayon ay may bumabalik na mga customers ninyo, may magbabayad na, matatanggap na yung mga accounts receivables ninyo this week, no? May magbabayad na ng sahod, commission, at also yung ibang Gemini na parang may before may problema sa pera, ngayon ay giginhawa na. Alright? And the next card, you have the Star. This is your what's coming in. So ang sitwasyon ng kaperahan ninyo, okay? So you're so hopeful. This week, some of you are nag-heal na yung financial constraints niya. May heal na sa parang hopeless, mga hopeless mindset natin. So, ngayong linggong ito ay giginhawa na ang finances ninyo. Alright? So, may paghilom, may pag-asa, at may mga darating na mga surprises na mga kapirahan na nakaka-align sa plano ninyo. Alright? Mga Gemini. So, you'll be happy. And some of you also, you will become a star this week, siguro. Some of you, mananalo kayo sa patimpalak, or mga beauty pageant, no? Or you can feel you're a star. Maybe some of you are uuwi sa probinsya ninyo at kayo ay parang magiging star kayo sa lugar ninyo, kasi siguro gumaganda kayo, no, lalo. Tsaka some of you also ay mananalo talaga ng patimpalak, right? Or like Pinoy Big Brother or whatever the parang mga competitions, no? So the next card, also guys, may mga gumagaan na yung mga project ninyo, mga sideline ninyo, may darating na mga offers pala, from steady income siguro. The market also is doing good na. Yeah, we're in the bearish pa naman tayo ngayon. Hindi pa naman tayo yun nagiging bullish, but not that bad like last week, no? It's getting better this week. As what I have seen, no? Yun. At saka, may mga tulong at mga blessings na matatanggap mo, Gemini, this week na hindi mo talaga inaasahan, right? So, the next card, what's going out? The Nine of Cups. Your spending is, mapupunta ang mga gastos sa luho or mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo this week, Gemini. Be careful lang. Baka, maka-feel kayo ng, kasi marami kang pera, okay lang naman as long as you're also watching your expenses, na being happy of what you have is not bad, but kailangan din na hindi naman masyado mauubos yung pera mo dahil sa luho, alright? Para lang you can feel the happiness, no? You can feel the happiness, mauubos yung pera mo. Sana hindi gano'n, no? Hindi mapupunta ang kaperahan mo sa gasto ng luho o mga bagay na nagpapasaya talaga sa'yo, okay? So, mag-ingat na sobra-sobrang gastos or expenses this week, right? So, huwag masyadong mag-online shopping, okay? Bumili ka lang ng parang what you really need. Hindi naman, kasi may pera, ubos biyaya. Huwag naman gano'n kasi hindi natin alam yung bukas, right? Yun. So, okay lang. Mag-ano tayo ng mga pagkain. Huwag naman yung doon sa luho, parang napakamahal siguro ng mga jewelries. Spend on what you feel. Parang you feel great inside, emotionally happy ka, no? Para hindi naman nakakaubos ng budget, okay? Nakakaubos ng bank account mo, no? So, siguro also, may celebration kayo this week, no? Na magkakaroon talaga kayo ng, because maybe it will make you happy. That's why you will spend, no? You will spend just because it will makes you feel satisfied and happy, no? Parang deserve ko ito, na sobra-sobra. Wag naman, yun lang, don't spend too much, alright? So the fourth card is your hidden factors, no? It's a Seven of Cups. May mga Gemini dito na kasi may maraming pera kayo, nalilito kayo kung anong mga bibilihin ninyo, anong uunahin ninyo, no? Kung may pera, isipin nyo na dapat kung ano ang dapat or kailangang unang or your priority ang bibilhin nyo or spend your money to the what is priority, no? Anong kailangan, hindi yung wants ninyo, alright? Kaya yun, because that's the prediction, that's the message of the universe for your financial. So yun, ang daming luho dito, so ang daming pwede nyong pag-spend ng pera ninyo. Kaya watch out of your spending talaga, alright? So, baka nalilito ka na kung saan totoo yun. Baka anong stocks na bibilhin nyo. Kasi mag-i-invest kayo sa stocks, Philippine stocks or the US the foreign stocks, no? Kasi ako nakakaano ko dito kasi nag-ano ako ng app ng mga stocks abroad. I have already Philippine stocks, no, in GoTime. There's a lot there, but I also want to spend na invest in foreign stocks like yun, mga Microsoft, my Amazon, Tesla, like that. Okay, so maybe some of you also may offer kayong too good to be true. Yung mga investment, wag. So, hindi ka sigurado kung ano ang direksyon ang tatahakin mo ngayong week for your money or your spending, mga Gemini, no? So, kasi marami kang gustong bilhin for your money. Okay? Either for your investments, for your personal use, your party, your celebration. Bili ka ng two-piece for your beach ka ng party. So, yun. It's not impossible because it's already summertime, right? It's time to celebrate in the beach. No, it's so hot because it's so hot outside, right? So, yun. The fifth card, you have this is the advice, guys, from the universe, the Two of Cups. Sorry. So, this is, the two of Cups is, it's partnership na kailangan ka ng partnership, kailangan mo ng collaboration that will improve your finances also, no? Kasi marami kang ma-spend, marami kang gastos, kailangan mo rin na mag-collaborate to improve your finances, na you ask someone who is expert or mga financial advisor, no? Especially in investments, no? When we say in the stock market, no, either in the local stocks or in the foreign stocks, you can just look for an advice from your advisors, or you can just search online what to buy, what best to buy for building your investments, no? Yun din ang ginagawa ko, no? Para also you need to have collaboration or partnership para makipag-business partner ka na para lumalago yon o lalago yung mga yung business mo or your income mo, okay? So, may iba din na hihingi ka daw ng advice sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, either your best friends, your boss, something like that, or just go directly to Gemini. Gemini is in Google, no? Google. Gemini. Aside from ChatGPT, you can also personalize through Gemini or ChatGPT what to invest. Everything you ask, all questions can be answered there, alright? So, yun, basta maghinay-hinay ka sa financial mo kasi it's so crazy, no, kung yung nakakatangkap ka ng pera pero ang dami pong palang plano sa pera mo. So, your bonus card is this is the Knight of Pentacles. This is your bonus card. So, just stay consistent and disciplined, no? You have the money, no? So, magiging consistent at disiplinado ka this week, Gemini, okay? Kasi mabagal ang kaperahan. Siguro may natanggap ka ngayon kasi there are times na, there are days, weeks na, or months na mabagal yung pasok ng pera. Kaya maging disiplinado. Okay, disiplinado ka sa pagbabudget ng pera mo, na just spend wisely talaga. So, tuloy-tuloy din ng pag-iipon mo. Kung gusto ka mag-invest, just huwag hurot yung ubusin mo yung pera mo to invest, no? Ano daw, what I have learned from Gemini, it's an AI, guys. So, what the AI said to me, that you need to consistently invest. For those who want to invest, keep consistently invest. Pwede weekly ka mag-invest, no? This is for long term. This is for long term goals, no? This is not for a short term goals, no? Kaya yon, maging disiplinado ka kasi mabagal ang kaperahan maybe this year. Kaya huwag kang maging be always on guard. Be always on guard in everything. Hinay-hinay lang. Disiplinado ka. Huwag kang careless na mag-spend ng pera mo. Kasi dapat lang din tuloy-tuloy ang pag-ipon, kahit konti lang, as long as it's continuous, no? Continuous. At saka consistent ka sa trabaho mo o sa mga sideline mo para lalaki at lumalaki yung income mo on sideline mo every week or every month, no? So also dapat you're always be careful in planning in every spending your money, in spending your money, right? So Gemini, that is your financial prediction this week, no? So takes what's resonate, everyone, so and leave what doesn't. So just don't forget to follow my channel, Destiny Unveiled Daily 888, for more weekly finances guidance, okay? So, wag magalit, hindi naman yan ang card ko. Yes, because this is general or collective reading. This is not a personal reading, and we have a lot of energies around the world, okay? So, kunin mo ang energies na para sa'yo lang, okay? Bigay na sa iba yung iba, right? But, overall, you have a great week, financial week this week, Gemini. Because you have a lot of money this week, makakatanggap ka talaga ng pera. Alright? Just be careful in your spending. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Take care. Have a great day.